finally here in Marjan Island, but it took me like 3 hours instead of 1 hour because of the traffic.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you're innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy. Kinda like Johnny. Thumbs it down better. Making me lose my mind. Lose my mind, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like
Food
yellow.
is here.
We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something but you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times.
That's my room, guys.
Like all the time. Want my
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope that you're all doing well, and I hope that you crossed over the new year well as well. We just did that in the UAE, and right now I'm in Marjan Resort and Spa, that is in Marjan Island, and Marjan Island is in Ras Al Khaimah, which is one of the 7 Emirates of the UAE. So it's my first time here, and also it's the first time for me to celebrate New Year's Eve in Ras Al Khaimah, and I really loved it. It was really beautiful. You're just about to see the fireworks after this, and let me know what you think about them, but I think they were really beautiful. So enjoy the fireworks, and I wish you a very happy new year. Cheers. So guys, it's past midnight right now because I just came back from watching the fireworks, the Marjan Island fireworks, and I was super hungry. So I ordered some butter chicken, and it came with white rice. The good thing about this hotel is that even after closing the restaurants, they have room service, and so you can order food anytime, and they usually deliver it within 30 minutes or less. So I think that's a really good thing about this place. So I ordered butter chicken, and it came with white rice. I'm gonna give it a try and let you know how it is. It's very nice, it's very tasty, and I would recommend it 100%. Cheers.
Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like your ice in the wristline. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like your ice in the wristline. Shining like your ice in the wristline. Bum, 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 bum. Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying?
Wow, look at that. I really love it.
You know we overdue. What you doing right now? Right now.
Here there's a working desk.
Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous, but
There's a television here.
could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam.
Here is a bed.
All we had was the moment. I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? We was raised a little different. Be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. The Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna
This is a fridge, and this is a wardrobe.
Kan inte ta tillbaka någonting av det jag sagt. Men om du låter mig förklara, har vi i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Men du låter inte mig.
That's an entrance.
All försökt ge dig en chans.
And this is where you keep your key.
Du säger att du vill testa.
And right from the entrance is a bathroom.
Du vill ge mig en chans. Jag gör vad som helst för att hitta balans.
That's a shower.
Tro mig, jag ska visa dig allt om min farlife.
There's a towel.
som aldrig borde varit problem. Denna gången vill jag göra om. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one, för jag har någonting med dig, real loving med dig. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one, för jag har någonting.
We have another mirror.
Ge mig en chans. Jag var som helst för att hitta balansen, baby.
In the bathtub. Then there's a rhino.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh.
Oh yeah. Wow. It's a beautiful, beautiful balcony here.
In lyrics, do you like the sound? Over constantly. When it's my
So beautiful. So beautiful.
Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey.
This is the balcony.
Space, you can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey.
And that's the view outside.
Hey. East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Jon, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You want in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, 'cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet.
Hi guys, I would like to say a big thank you to the fans that were here in the Marjan Resort and Spa, and they came to say hi. That was really nice of you, and it was a pleasure meeting you, and I really appreciate. Thank you so much.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves.
Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.
Alone, I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but